Greetings from a country of 1.4 billion people, India. I am Dr. Ishwar Gilada. I'm a specialist in HIV/AIDS and infectious diseases, currently also COVID and monkeypox. I'm president of AIDS Society of India, which is a membership organization of 600 plus doctors and researchers in HIV care in India. I'm elected to the Governing Council of International AIDS Society to represent Asia and the Pacific. And this is my second term there, which is a 4-year term, re-elected in 2022, July. I am also Secretary General of Organized Medicine Academic Guild, which is an umbrella organization of 15 professional medical associations in India, with a total membership base of almost 250,000 doctors from different specialties. I live in Mumbai, and I have been attending IT and CMA for last several years. And sorry, this is actually 2022. So basically, when we talk about as a medical organization, as a professional organization, what do we expect? Because we are on the other side of the mice industry. We are the end users, we are the conduits, we are the organizations. The AIDS Society of India is established in 2000. It is born out of compelling need to prepare, train, mentor, update, coordinate medical fraternity for care of people living with HIV/AIDS in India. HIV epidemic is not same in every state of India, rather unique in ways HIV is transmitted. Co-infections, health systems differ. ASI or AIDS Society of India was established at a time when the official program wasn't even looking at HIV care and hence became a pioneering organization. In every changing scenario, new pandemics keep emerging and we need to keep expanding our horizons. ASI believes in collaborations at all levels. ASI organizes CMEs, continued medical education programs, trainings, workshops, and national conferences are held in close partnership with local organizations on one hand and international technical expertise on other. It is important for local medical experts to feel the need for national convention to come to their state and region. So we try to rotate our national conferences to different states in the country. It is an opportunity for national and international faculty of ASI to amplify key issues with local authorities as well as bring stakeholders at national AIDS and TB programs. ASI collaborators range from government to national to state, global, national, state, agencies and organizations. However, all key decisions related to its events are made by ASI only. ASI values the concept beyond room nights. So when we talk about MICE or conference, we only talk about room nights, but we would like to go beyond that. All stay at same place, so it is an in-house conference. We try to see that our international faculty, national faculty, delegates, and even postgraduate medical students whom we totally sponsor, they come and stay in the same hotel. The difference may be that for some people we provide single room, for some people we provide double occupancy room with the family and with the partner, and for postgraduate student we provide them triple occupancy room. But our concept is to see that everybody stays in the same hotel. They interact with the faculty and the student at breakfast, lunch, meeting, tea breaks, etc. Though alcohol and no tobacco is a conference policy, this policy has been consciously made because AIDS Society of India is a registered public trust and we collect public money and spend on HIV awareness program, training program, workshops, and we do not want to spend on alcohol and tobacco. Hence, we took a value, we look at the value additions, including in food, by way of addition of signature dishes and desserts. So wherever the conference goes, we'd like to add more and more good dishes to eat so that people get interested. And a lot of desserts, ice creams, etc. ASI engages film stars and other public figures in AIDS meetings that helps in influencing policy and helps create larger awareness. Meticulous planning is done and executed. right from arrival to departure of delegates with flawless arrangements like in Indian fat weddings. So you must have always heard of Indian fat weddings. So we provide even massage to the people who are attending the weddings. Leadership development is not one-time effort. It's continuous and ever revolving. Capacity building and leadership grooming goes all around. ASI leaders are themselves emerging as leaders in their own state and region. Under 40 years of age, given preference, special speaking slots are for them, and also groomed to be experts so that the show must go on. Now, there are pre-event, during event, and post-event activities. Pre-event activities are done if suppose the conference is in Mumbai, we will be doing pre-conference event in 4 or 5 different places in the country in run-up to the conference a couple of weeks before. And at that time, we also propagate the conference. So we ensure the attendance from those places. During event, we'll have programs which are conference program, debates, discussion, quiz contest, also poster competition, oral speaker competition, and there will be some cultural program and some kind of event by which people are glued to the conference halls. Post-event engagement, firstly, evaluating conference is important, but post-event also we organize some events in some places from where less delegates have come, so that the takeaways from this conference are organized there. Just last Saturday, we organized an event called Takeaways from International AIDS Conference 2022, which was held in Montreal. So a lot of people from India could not go there. So we tried to organize these takeaways from that conference. At this time, it was done in Hyderabad. So pre-event, my event, there are apps, there are flyers going on different occasions like New Year or some Indian festivities like Diwali, etc. And we keep on greeting people, but along with our promos. And you can see that there are e-posters. Earlier there used to be physical poster, but nowadays we can have an e-poster. So both have their own pros and cons, but I think e-poster is more doable, and this is a currently electronic world. Event app for announcement and planning. So all our programs are on the event app. There is a social wall of fame. So some of the good pictures and good programs are also put there. Some photographs all around the year, some activities which were organized, they are put in there. So ongoing and during event, we need webcast, podcast, hybrid events. A lot of people cannot attend, so they can be hybrid event, online questions, satellite sites, suggestions to speaker, that we also ask speaker to take into account certain things so that it will be interesting for the audience. Quality survey instantly using app. So while going on, when talk is going on, the survey can be done online. Quiz during talks using apps. Results displayed instantly like using Mentimeter app. We also involve media. Wherever ASI goes, we engage national and local media, as we consider this pillar of democracy is very crucial and to be utilized optimally. This helps educate and sensitize concerned people, also help dispel myths and misconceptions related to HIV, helps promote sensitive and evidence-based reporting in English and local vernacular media via mainstream media. Social media like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube are appropriately used. And the legacy has to carry on. So continued medical education program for various medical disciplines and specialties is very important for HIV related care, as well as non-HIV care for people living with HIV. For example, aging population, because a lot of people are living with HIV for last 25 or 30 years. Then there are non-communicable diseases to be looked after. So a person with HIV will also get COVID. They will also get other diseases. So we cannot be focusing only on HIV. We need to look at other issues also. Specialist doctors go to their specialty meetings. But ASI meets are the few learning events where we not only learn and share our specialty, but also about other specialties and how to work as a team for collaborative activities such as on TB and HIV, hepatitis C, hepatitis B, drug use, sex work, LGBT, that is lesbian, gay, bisexual, transvestite, and it is now also called Q, this queer or intersex. So these issues are also discussed. Now, reports for medical council, sponsor and partners. Our conferences being medical event aiming at continued medical education, they are accredited by the respective medical council to get CME credit points for attendees and speakers. So mind well, doctors will have to have collect some CME credit point to continue practicing as a particular specialty doctors. So for example, in Maharashtra or Mumbai, we need to have 30 points collected in 5 years, and then only you can continue practicing for next 5 years. Regulatory bodies like Medical Council of India needs quality and satisfaction surveys of events. In quality of presentations, we need contents, update, references, applicability, delivery, and style. Academic partners and sponsors also need outcome of the conference. Otherwise, next time they won't support. Organizers need gradations for speakers, and those with poor grades are not invited as speakers next time. Proceedings and publications are also there. So this is an online journal, proceeding ebook, which is called conference proceeding. Also physical book, video and audio and PPT, which we shared. All presentations are shared unless and until somebody objects that they don't want to share their PPT. Deferred webcast, YouTube, inviting online comments and publishing them on website. Maintain several years of conference proceeding, presentations, videos and photographs, and we put also on our website. So what the association needs is an excellent venue for in-house conference. We need travel assistance, special discount from airline. Though ticket may be cheaper, but people are used to some kind of discounts. So if that kind of codes are passed on, and people can get ticket cheaper than what they could have got otherwise. Audio visual support with virtual platforms, app management, cultural and entertainment programs, organizing special events with film stars and VVIPs, and value addition all the time. So I may not have listed all the value additions, but they should be there all the time. So finally, we treasure in saying we are Indian at heart but global in spirit. And for future of HIV and infectious diseases management, here is my future generation. Both my daughters are doctors. One of them is infectious disease expert. Other one is a microbiologist. I really want to thank all my patients for being a great source of learning and inspiration. Several scientists, clinicians with whom we interact regularly, and ITCMA and the team for giving me this opportunity to be part of this event. Thank you.